Hello students, our today's topic is financial statement version. What is the business scenario for financial statement version? The accounting manager wants to know if there is any option available in SAP S/4HANA Finance through which he can group all the related accounts to get the balance sheet and the profit and loss account or income statement for the purpose of reporting. He further explains that the grouping or hierarchy of all the account is according to the company's requirement to publish balance sheet and profit and loss statement. He is also interested to know the standard SAP reports which his team can use for financial reporting. What do you mean by financial statement version? Financial statement version represents a code or a key which groups all the related GL accounts to create the balance sheet and profit and loss or income statement for the purpose of reporting. SAP has already provided predefined financial statement version per country which can be copied or changed to create your own version. So you can also create the version from the scratch. You define a financial statement version in two steps. First, enter it in the directory or financial statement version, and another one is define hierarchy levels and assign accounts. That is, FSV consists of maximum 20 hierarchy levels. The financial statement version enables you to configure the report format by determining which item are to be included and the sequence and hierarchy of these items. The text describing the items, the chart of accounts and the individual accounts relevant to the report, and the total to be displayed. Financial statement version must have the following special items. First is assets, second is liability, third is profit, fourth is loss, fifth is P&L result, sixth is account not assigned, and seventh one is notes to financial statement. The net profit or net loss and the profit and loss results are calculated using the same report that you use to create the financial statement. So our first step is define financial statement version. What is the financial statement version? Define the version that you need for the balance sheet and P&L statement by copying one of the existing version and modifying it to your requirement. So you can also create your own version, and you can define version for a specific chart of account, for a group chart of account, or without any specific assignment. Then determine the financial statement item for your version. For that, you can go by path SPRO, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, financial statement version and defined statement version. SAP में जाते हैं SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Master Data, GL Accounts, Financial Statement Version and Defined Statement Version. Now click on New Entries, enter your version name which you want. We will enter the ZTR1. Enter the name for your version, financial statement version TRE1. Maintain language English. ऑटो आइटम कीज आपको टिक रखना है ताकि जब भी हम लेजर क्रिएट करें तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें ऐड हो जाए. Enter your chart of account and then click on save button. Now click on create request and enter your description. TRE1, define financial statement version. Then click on save button and now click on continue button. So here our financial statement is ready.